Hello friends, so I am back with another of my Roblox videos. So as we know that the mythical egg is on the horizons, and we know that we need to just see what pets are in the game and what pets can come right now. So let's proceed over to gifts and we'll see the two pets that are already confirmed. Let's see. I have not made a private server, so this thing is just so common. Yeah, let's see. The Phoenix pet is just confirmed, and the Vibrant pet. Yeah, friends. Now that's the Vibrant pet that Adopt Me has confirmed. Like we were just guessing over, and our guesswork was right. The Vibrant pet is just coming in Adopt Me, and friends, that will make the Dragon series into four, which is first is the Frost Dragon, second is the Shadow Dragon, third is the normal dragon, and now it will be having a Vibrant. Now let's see that what pets can we. What? Who's that? Leave it. Okay. Now we'll see that what other pets can we expect from Adopt Me. Let's. Okay friends, so the first pet that we can expect from Adopt Me is the Hydra. Yes friends, we can expect the Adopt Me for an Hydra. This is because that this will complete the chain of 5 dragons in the game. Shadow Dragon, Bad Dragon. No, yeah, we had the 5 dragon. It will complete the chain of 6 dragons. Yes friends, we have 6 dragons in the game now, which is the first dragon is the normal dragon, which is in the game, second is the bad dragon, third is the frost dragon, fourth is the shadow dragon, and now fifth is the vibrant, and now then it will conclude of what do you say, hydra. Friends, it will be so cool to ride in the hydra. Like we have a Cyberus. I don't have a Cyberus right now. Let me show it to you. Let me quickly show. Yeah, so like we have the Cyberus, so we can have a triple head dragon, which is the hydra, and this will look so cool. Okay, so the next pet that we can so let's proceed on to next pet. So next pet that we can expect is the evil bat. Yes friends, we can expect the evil bat in the game because we have three types of bats, which is the albino bat, normal bat, and the bad dragon, which is the dragon also, but bat also. So we can expect the evil bat. We can like see, I have already made the sticker, so I they can just do changes in that. So okay, so let's proceed on to third pet. So the third pet can be the evil eye bear. Yes friends, I am expecting this pet because mythical pets consist of some evil pets too, but this look cute at the same time. So these should be in the game, and this rarity, I think that the hydra can be a ultra rare pet, and the evil bat can be a rare pet, and the evil eye bear can be a uncommon pet. So, okay friends, let's proceed on to next pet. Friends, the next pet is the mermaid pet. Yes friends, I want the mermaid pet personally to be in the game. So if they have just added a unicorn plus a mermaid tail, so if they conclude the mermaid of unicorn aside, and they add a kind of the person type shape, then it will be so cool. Like two types of legendary versus the male. One is the male mermaid, and second is the female mermaid. So that will be so cool. So mermaid will be legendary only. And next, so some people in Roblox community is saying that the mythical egg will consist of some Robux also pet. So I don't think so Robux only pet will there, because it's an egg, it's not an event, so it will not consist of any Robux pet. Okay, let's proceed on to next pet. Friend, this is the bear witch. So I think that the bear witch has a high chance of coming, because a witch is just needed in Adopt Me, because we want a walking pet. Like we have two kind of walking pet, I mean 3 or 4 kind of walking pets. I am just not recalling them. But first is the meerkat, second is the bear, third is the polar bear, fourth is fourth can be this pet, which is the witch pet, which will have its what do you say, which will have legs and hands and all of that, which kind of a stuff, and its animation will be revolving around the witch's wand. So it will be so cool, and it will make Adopt Me more fun to play and more fun to get the pets. Okay, I am not added something very common in this pet, because common can be a phoenix, because I don't think that phoenix is so good, because phoenix animation and phoenix is just looking like a robin. Please don't get me wrong, I'm not even just like that, but I think that the phoenix pet will be a common pet, so I'm not added a common pet in this. I am just not added too many pets in it, because we are not sure that what pets are coming. So wyvern, phoenix, the witch, okay, 3, and then bear witch, then 4 evil bat, and then fifth pet, doing. This is the flying dog. Yes friends, we have a normal dog in there, but we want a flying dog also. Okay, so flying dog will have a texture like this, so it will be have a unicorn texture like that. And now for the sixth pet, we will have a Pegasus. Friends, now you will be thinking that we have the unicorn in the game, then why we need Pegasus in the game? Friends, see, we have we don't want the Pegasus so die hardly in the game, but if a Pegasus come into the game, this will create a buster, because Pegasus will give unicorn a support, and unicorn and Pegasus are two bhai behan kind of a thing, sister and brother kind of thing. Okay, then the Pegasus will give a good impact on the game. Okay, next pack that I'm expecting is the ancient octopus dragon. Yes friends, ancient octopus dragon is some kind of a dragon which will not fly, but it will have an ancient texture. Let me quickly show you what ancient texture I am talking about. Let's proceed. Okay, so the ancient texture that I am telling you is kind of a thick texture, so it will have some kind of like it's all it will have its what do you say, tentacles on its face, and it will have some this kind of a texture, and it will have a very scary face, so like that. And next is the crystal. Yes friend, the crystal will have a crystal type of a texture, and it will move around us like this. Okay friends, so that was it for the video. If you get some kind of information what is coming into the mythical egg, just please give it a like or subscribe, and comment down below what pets are you expecting and what pets you like the most, that I personally made with my own. I have not taken it from anyone. I could take it, but I have not. So thanks for watching friends. Please stay tuned to my Roblox videos and Minecraft videos. It's coming very soon, so stay tuned. Goodbye.